Go on in. Come on. What, man? Yes guys, what is cracking? Welcome back to a brand new video. You know, I said I'll smarten myself up. I need a trim. So yeah, what I'm going to do today is we are fitting a cold air feed on my brother's CORSA VXR. He's getting it mapped in, how long is it? 25 days. He's even counting it down. So we want to get the best possible power output on that. So obviously the more cold air to the air filter, less heat soak, all that kind of jazz. So what we can do, show you how to do this. So if you got a CORSA VXR and you want a cold air feed through your fog, this is where we get it. So yeah, I haven't actually got many of my tools. I've literally just got my backpack, filled it full of sockets and Torx bits, and yeah, let's go. You saying?
Right.
Let's go. Videoing, yeah? Right then, let's make sure I'm in frame, please. Right then, this is the thing you have bought. Whoa, I wasn't expecting it to be that bulky.
That's what I'm thinking. Does it fit? But everyone on the comments on Facebook have said it should fit.
That is naughty. So what? That, I'm guessing that's done up and that keeps that in there like that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's satisfying. It's my condom, that is, mate. It's too big, mate. It's too big. The girth is just. Look at that. It's big, that is, isn't it? Ready? Right then, so what we're going to do, we're going to remove the bumper. If you've watched my vauxhall videos already, you will know how to remove this bumper. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there is the Torx ones.
So you're trying to get to them two in there. Is it the two
That
or one?
That one there, and there's one there.
Yeah.
Hiding.
And then that should clip off.
So basically this is my first video in quite a while, to be honest. As you can tell, my last video my hair was probably nice and short, and now it's got long. I've been waiting about 3 weeks for some wheels and coilovers, and that's why I've been dead, because I didn't want to spend money in other directions. I just wanted to keep a little pot and get these wheels and coilovers, but I was messed about for like 3 weeks to nearly a month. So now that all that's sorted and that's not happening, we can move forward and do things with the channel, because I've literally been not spending money just because I was banking on these things and it's fell apart, as you know. Aaron, how gutted was I? He told me it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen, and it didn't. But yeah, anyway, wow, that dog's mad. Is that dog?
What are your skills?
As if you're going to snap it off.
Oh, you really want.
It is scary, like if you took a bumper off and yeah, just watch it, because these do like to snap on the old vauxhalls and that. So yeah.
Fucking bought.
Let's go.
The hours then. The ones don't work. So I was like, mate, I want a refund. But he sent me another pair. All you gotta do is twist it, yeah. Sent me another pair out, and I don't work. Right, so I've got 2 sets. Fucking.
So literally on that, you've got your fog light, and you can literally like spin the connector, pull out. This one you've got like it tells you like the temperature and that. Pull the clip out, job done. Same on that one. Right then, so on this one, what we're going to do, we're going to remove this, because this is where the cold air feeds go in. So it's just a case of 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and that's it. Let's whip it out.
too carried away, remember?
What was it just going like that for?
Because it needs layers, don't it? That's why. Do one coat of that one and then do another coat of one.
Just remove. Spray clear coat for the fucking hell, man. Man, a Magnum. There you go.
He wants a Magnum. He's got
There you go,
French
man.
fries.
A bloody Magnum.
What you wanted fries?
I said I wanted Magnum.
Oh, I thought you said Grandma wants some fries.
No. What do you want some fries for?
I don't know. What's he got a Magnum for?
Go like a burger.
Because he wants an ice cream. Yeah, have you?
No, I don't know.
How many's in there? Oh, milk 'em.
How many you got, Nan?
There's a box in there. There's nothing in it. It's empty. He knows it is.
Alright, for God's sake.
A box with about 3. Should be.
Seems to be going on a bit better now. Right then, so plasti dipping ain't turned out too bad, to be fair. Just letting it dry now, and then what we'll do, get the cold air feed, put it through the driver's side, and potentially fit the bumper. Let's go. Right then, so mate, that looks sick. Like that looks wow bad. That looks. You need to buy another one, you know. So we've got a cold air feed set up.
Don't need to buy another one. Don't need to buy another one.
Literally just pushed it through.
That's all.
So yeah. Right then, so it's literally got to go up between the aircon pipe, so might be a bit of a squeeze, but I think it'll get in there. So let's get it in. Right then, so we've pulled it in, and we've literally gone through between the AC pipe and the little gap, and then obviously you can see it just chilling there. Air filter goes on, cold air, sexy turbo equals power. Right then guys, that is us all done. Hope you all enjoyed that one. I actually enjoyed it as well, man. I felt like I haven't touched a car in like forever, and that's what I love doing on this channel. I like to bring normal people doing normal things. There's plenty of YouTubers out there that are just paying companies and buying mods and getting them to fit it, and there's the before, there's the after. I don't really like to do that. I'd rather show you guys what goes into the build and that, do you know what I mean? So I like to show you what's going on step by step, and I think that's where hopefully I can differentiate myself from other people. So yeah, I've got this next month's going to be difficult on the weekends and that, because we do my house and that. So try to get these next 4 weeks of September, blast it out, and then hopefully everything will get back to normal. But we got to put the grind in, get the work in. I've got so many cars like lined up to video. It's crazy, man. Anything from KTM Expos, Aerial Atoms, to TVR Tuscans, to Hyundai i30N, i20N. I can't remember which one it is. But we've got so many cars to video. It's like crazy. So don't go anywhere, because it's going to be mad. Just comment down below what mod do you think I should do next to the Megane. Obviously I was waiting out coilovers and wheels, but it's like flopped, so I feel like I've wasted 3-4 weeks of potential videos and that, because obviously we've been waiting for this one big thing. So comment down below what you think I should do. Interior, handling, styling, hybrid turbo. Nah, hybrid turbo is like completely next level, so I'm not ready for that yet. I still want to enjoy the power it's at, and potentially do some track days and stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you like the video, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me out so much and I appreciate it. But big things coming, man, I'm telling you. 10k is the goal, 2,500 left, and then on to the big 100k. So thank you everyone for watching. Peace out. See you on the next one. Peace.